In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suno AI for free. First things first, let's kick off by heading over to the official Suno website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in suno.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll be greeted with a host of options. But what you want to focus on is getting your account up and running. Creating an account is pretty straightforward. You have the option to sign up using your Google account, which is a quick and seamless process, perfect if you want to save time. Alternatively, you can use your email address. Just follow the prompts on the website and you'll have your account set up in no time. Now, here's something exciting. As soon as you sign into your new Suno account, you'll automatically receive 50 free credits daily. This is a generous offer that lets you create roughly 10 songs every day without spending a dime. So, you can dive headfirst into your creative musical projects with absolutely no worries. With your account set and credits in place, it's time to start creating. Look for the Create tab on the Suno website. It's your gateway to making music magic. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with different modes to choose from. You'll find options like Simple Mode for straightforward compositions, Custom Mode for those artistic pieces that require more input, and Instrumental or Pure Music Mode if you're going for that classical touch. Pick whichever suits your needs and mood for the day. After selecting a mode, you'll simply click the Create button. From here, the Suno AI gets to work, showcasing the power of artificial intelligence by generating 2 different versions of your chosen song within just a few minutes. It's a pretty swift process, ensuring you spend more time enjoying and tweaking your tracks rather than waiting around. Once your music tracks are ready, it's time for the listening stage. Put on your headphones or crank up your speakers and listen to what Suno has conjured up for you. Keep in mind, though, that tracks generated through a free account are intended for non-commercial use only, so use them to learn, to enjoy, or to simply create without the pressure of commercial gain. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to explore and use Suno AI at no cost. Enjoy the creative journey and make the most out of those daily free credits. Thank you for joining me today, and happy composing.